Hi everyone and welcome to the freelance channel. My name is Ferrante. Today we're going to do a different set of video and we're going to take advantage of this hot sun because today I'm going to clean up two of these chairs, office chairs that I have that my kids use. They have not been cleaned for a long time. So what I'm going to do today is I'll take advantage of this hot sun and clean it up, and afterwards I'll go ahead and put some covers on it because as you can see, some of this have already deteriorated because of usage, because of time. So join me, let's go ahead and clean up these two office chairs. I'll be making use of this thing. So this is the pressure washer from Lotus. And once we have that cleaned up, I'm going to put some covers on it so you can check it out later on. So let's go ahead and get started. Now with the pressure washer that I'm going to use, it will just be connected to, or it will just be using a bucket. So we don't have a water line here outside. So what I'm going to do is I'll just make use of a bucket of water. I'll go and get my tools set up and let's get started. Alright, so some of the areas that really needs attention are here, especially the back side. You see there, and on the side or on the chair itself, there's a lot of dog fur. Alright, so I guess we're done here and we'll just go ahead and let it dry in the sun. Once that is dried up, we'll go and get it covered with something nice. Right, so these have been here outside for 2 days now. It's been really hot. So I guess this one's, they're already, look at that. So looks nice and clean. They both look dry enough to take back inside. Okay, so we'll go and get these two inside and we'll have them covered. We do have the bottom cover for them, so it's time to get them dressed up. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some cover for this one just to make sure that it's protected and preserve this neat and clean. Alright, so I bought here. Let's see what we got.